Wood plank porcelain tiles are versatile, which it balances to any style that we want. And if we are thinking about using wood plank tiles, there are so many ways to create layout patterns that can make our space look more interesting. So let me show you some few ideas. Stagger Pattern, the most popular way to lay out wood plank tiles. This creates a timeless and natural ambience in any space. Herringbone. This is arranging rectangular tiles at right angles to each other. And herringbone seems to become on trend. Well, of course, it creates a visual interest to any floor or wall application. Stack band. The pattern where tiles are stacked on top of one another, resulting in a continuous horizontal edge joint and vertical head joints. And this pattern is great for wall application. Chevron. Chevron is an inverted V pattern, with each side meeting at the point. The results are seamless zigzag pattern that is popular in wall backsplash. Brick band. This is different from staggered pattern. Brick band layout are laid in rows, with each row offset half a tile length from the row. And this is the most common when it comes to tile laying patterns. Crosshatch or basket weave pattern. An unusual way to lay a tile is by using crosshatch or basket weave. And it is certainly eye-catching, especially when you mix different shades and colors of tile. These layout patterns are just a few ways to create an outstanding look using wood plank porcelain tiles. Explore our wood plank porcelain tile collection from I Love Spanish Tiles and My Style My Tiles. And let one of these laying patterns show your style. Shop at any CW Home Depot branch and Cebu Home and Builders, or you may check our website at talentbatinspirations.com.ph.